Students, today we are going to start a new lesson from our second standard English textbook. Our lesson name is The Cock and the Sun. Yes, students, repeat it once. Our lesson is The Cock and the Sun. Do you know which animal is this? Yes, this is a tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Can you identify this bird? Yes, this is a peacock. Very good. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Now come on dear students, let us explore the jungle to meet some more animals. Open page number 19. Now I am going to read this story. Keep your finger on the words. I read. Once the sun wanted to meet all the animals and birds in the forest to know them personally. He asked them to gather near the big rock in the forest at 6 o'clock the next morning. The leaves were very happy to hear that sun would be out. But the animals had their own views. They started expressing their ideas. In the morning, it was the turn of the beautiful peacock to start a discussion. Peacock, Mr. Donkey, please don't wait for me. It is very cold. I want to warm myself up. I will sleep for a while. Donkey, ha! Why do you think I plan to go right now? The sun may not come out at 6 o'clock. I will slowly get ready and go. I will go at 8 o'clock. B. So, then I think I can collect some honey before I start. Later, I will attend the meeting. Parrot. Let me go to the field and collect some food grains first. There are so many fruits to be tasted. I will also reach by 8 o'clock. Elephant. Yes, my first work is to take bath. I will go to the river. It is quite far. Is anybody interested in coming with me? Now dear students, pause the video and you eat once till here. Then I will explain this part and move forward. Okay, I hope you all have read it once. Good. So dear students, once the sun wanted to meet all the animals and birds. So the sun asked them to gather near the big rock at 6 o'clock the next morning. Leaves were happy that the sun will be out, but all the animals had their own views about meeting. Peacock said, "It's very cold. I want to warm myself. I want to sleep for a while." Donkey predicted, "The sun may not come at 6 o'clock. I will go by 8 o'clock." Busy Bee said, "I have to collect some honey. I will go later." Then Parrot said, I have to collect some grains. I will go later. Elephant said, I have to take bath first. So, these were the opinions of animals and birds on attending the meeting. Let's see what happens next. Lion, I would rather go by myself. I am the king of the forest. Other animals should gather first. I will come after you all. Fox, I am the chief minister. I will go with the king. Owl, you think of who should go first. But do you know how tired I am? I was busy catching mice the whole night. I want to take rest now. When the sun rose in the sky, only a cock was waiting for him. The cock, who was not interested in such a talk, had arrived in time. He was habituated of rising early and waiting for the sun. He did the same that day too. Slowly all the animals and birds gathered after an hour. The sun was very happy and praised the cock for the punctuality. All the animals and birds felt ashamed. They had not expected the turn of events in this way. The sun also announced the reward. Sun, from now on, the cock will welcome me every morning. Here is your reward. He placed a crown on the cock's head. It came to be known as the comb even today. The cock crows as the sun rises. His grand comb also is attractive. Okay, now you read this part yourself. Then let us continue. I hope everybody have read it once. Okay, now I will explain it to you. Dear students, now lion climbed. I am the king of the jungle and I will go after everybody gathers. Listening to the lion, Fox said, I am the chief minister and I will go with the king. And the owl was tired catching the mice whole night. But cock was not interested in such talk. So it was there first when the sun rose in the sky. The sun was very happy to see the cock. The sun praised the cock for punctuality. Sun also rewarded the cock with a crown. The crown is called comb. All the animals felt ashamed. Dear students, moral of the story is we should not be lazy. We should always be punctual. See how cock was being rewarded for its punctuality. Punctuality means being on time. And we should never get into useless talk. So, dear students, this was a beautiful story to learn. I hope you all have understood this. Okay, thank you.